So your package should have these things, either the side or top version, 1 or 2 stickers. So if you got this top thing, then you got basically 1 or 2 stickers. Let's open it up and I'll show you what to do. So first of all, just open it up. Be careful. Just put this up here. And then you should have the metal plate, which I'll show you how to do later. The codes to Hey Tabby and how to activate things. You'll need this, do not lose it. And then the actual screen. Yeah, you can peel this off if you want to or not, it's up to you. And then quick information on how to assemble this. The USB-C here, and this is where it should basically align. So I recommend it do like this. First, go to the corner like that, and then just push this in on the left, and then you just push it in. And then you should have it be like that. Maybe if you have this is not good, so you have to push it in. So this is fully in and covers the Wi-Fi module. And yeah, that is how it should look like. Basically, a newer version, you'll do the same thing. You just push it in. It should look still something like this. So to remove the sticker, it is quite annoying. I do it with this, so this sharp thing. You just take the corner of it and you see it opens up. Yeah, you just need to figure out how to get this part off. Just something sharp so you can, but don't cut yourself. So you can stick it up, and I'll show you where to stick it in a second. Okay, so this is how I have it sticked up on my MacBook. I have it with a distance of around 6 millimeters. For Americans, that is 0.2 inches. And whatever that is for everyone else, I don't know. Yeah, so around 6 millimeters. And it's important because you'll see, wait, I'll show you. So how it holds up, it actually leans against the screen. So basically it holds against, the screen holds against the thing. So it's like an additional support, if that makes sense. So I recommend it do it like that, but you can maybe have it a bit further away. It's up to you. But let's get to the app now. Hey, you're probably here right now. So you have your Tabby on the left. Just make sure that it is connected via USB-C into your computer directly. Just make sure that is the case, because sometimes if it's with a hub, it might break. But yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Take your paper and copy over the code on it. It should start with Tabby and then dash, blah, blah, blah. So once you have it in, it should look something like this. I'll show it once with wrong, it's gonna show that. And then if we have it correctly, let's click on activate. It's gonna show love animation, and you just gotta wait because it's cute. And then we move on to the next step, which is gonna be the language. I will go with English. And here, just make sure your Tabby is plugged in and then click on next. If it is not plugged in, it is gonna show this. So plug it in and wait around 10 to 15 seconds, maybe even a minute for it to properly find it. Do not click I'll connect later. Just make sure, just be patient and keep waiting. It should find it. 3, 2, 1, bam, it found it. Okay, also here you can send a wave. It's just gonna randomly pick one random animation from Tabby. You can play around with this. Let's go to the next step, reminders. These are, yeah, just reminders like drink water. It's gonna remind you every 30 minutes and you can pick how often to just drink water. Posture check. Yeah, just you can preview how that looks. And also stretching. I'll keep these as is and move on to the next one. Folders. This is a very important one. This is gonna be used to group your tasks, notes, and focus and stuff like that. Basically, just make sure you name this correctly. So call it, I don't know, schoolwork. And when you do schoolwork, only use this thing. So you'll see when I explain it later. But yeah, just pick this and create your folders. If you have other projects or things going on, yeah, use those. And then we move on to next. And this is the app walkthrough. Go watch this next, or open up the app and go to the help if you want to rewatch stuff. Hello, so this is how the app is gonna work and how you're supposed to use it. But before I show you anything, I'll show you how to use this middle part and how to provide feedback. So here, you just click on for commands and it's just gonna open commands. You can also just do slash, and it's gonna open that, or you can just write the command. So for example, we want feedback. We can either write that like this, we can write it like that, or we can click on commands, and here we'll go to the feedback page. And here, I just need you guys to, whenever you find an idea or an issue, just take a screenshot and be like, this broke, and just send it. Let me know what broke. Try to be as clear as possible, maybe some of the steps you did, and just send it. And then I'll have it in Discord under this broke, and I'll be able to respond to you guys and fix these issues with you. But anyways, this is how the app works. It is so, we can also click here to visit the tasks page. This is where we can manage tasks. So we can create new tasks, and we can assign deadlines, and we can assign folders. This is a very important thing. So let's go tasks. Let's create a new task and let's assign a folder. Let's say schoolwork, because it's very important that you assign the workspace, I call it, because when we will go to the day view and we actually plan that work, so we can actually do it like this. We, let's say, plan it, and we do it like this. Tabby should supposed to play some animations, and then it is gonna basically store distractions or productivity for this workspace. So it's gonna be like, oh, is this Google or Admin Console or Screen Studio productive, or is it not? And then we say, for example, Screen Studio is productive. Namecheap is a productive thing. This is productive. This is productive. But sometimes I have YouTube and stuff like that there, and it's gonna count that as a distraction, and that helps it trigger the animations. So yeah, so very important, just when you schedule things or trigger things or start Pomodoros, just make sure you have a workspace assigned. If you don't have one, the animations are not going to be as fun because it's not going to know what you're doing and whether the thing you're doing is a distraction or not. So maybe I'll rework this. Maybe you can give your feedback here as well. Oh, and quickly, while editing this, I noticed I forgot to mention. So this is how you go to the folders. These are the schoolwork. These are the main ones that you need to remember about. And here you can also go in and see about your productivity and distractions. So you can see which is doing what. So you can see like X for me is a distraction URL. Bamboo Studio, Discord is productive. YouTube video, this specific one, because there's a bunch of YouTube videos. Some of them are not distracting. So it is per URL basis. And yeah, so this is how you get to folders, and you can delete some folders and stuff like that. Oh, and also make new ones here. Yeah, just make sure for tasks that you use folders. And maybe if you have some ideas how to better do this, let me know. Thank you. As we are testing this right now. But yeah, also if you want to run a Pomodoro, just do this. And it's going to play a cool animation. Also, you can run it from here. If you go focus, and it's going to play it. And then you can choose here what you want, or if you just want to take a break, just do that. Also, we have notes, so you can just write your own notes, add images, and save them. Oh, I just found a bug. I'll fix that. You didn't see that. And habits. This is actually also might need your feedback here, because technically reminders is the same thing as habits. You can choose when you want something to be reminded, like remind me to call mom. Then you can choose once. So once, like in 20, 30 minutes, or you pick a specific time when you want this reminder to pop. Then if you wanted to repeat each day, so you can pick Monday, blah, 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 every few days. So for example, I have reminders. We have the drink water, and this one pops every day, every 30 minutes. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. And also every X, yeah, hopefully this all makes sense. And habits is simply just for me to remind myself, hey, you have to go to the gym, and I can track how active I was. So I have it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I have to go to the gym. And yeah, I haven't went in a while. This is probably outdated because I went like a week ago. But yeah, that is that. Maybe you can provide me your ideas if this is good or not. So I think maybe combining these could be a good thing. And also day view, this is like the most important thing. You'll get the notification to plan your day a lot if it's not planned. So make sure you plan it. So just simply go to day and just drag either by searching the task you want or creating a task and just making sure you assign it to a workspace when you create it. And then you have your day planned. You're kind of going to know what you're going to do. You can even you can even drag breaks like that. You take a break and it's going to know, oh, not to nudge you or annoy you when this is happening. And also we have the week view, because sometimes day is not enough and you need to plan things in the week view. It's also very cool. When you drag something, it's automatically going to scroll up and make it a very satisfying UI. I did a lot of, okay. And what else? Obviously, the AI stuff is coming soon, so you'll be able to be like, hey, remind me, do this. And it's just going to know. It's going to be to the Tabby page. This is coming soon. I still need to fix it. Also, where's the next one? Tools. This is also coming. So the recording tool, image optimizations and stuff like that is coming. I just need to have the physical one work properly. And also stats. You'll be able to see a bunch of stats of things you have done and stuff like that. Yeah. What else? I think, yeah, just make sure you go to the help page in case something is not clear, and just join the Discord, Instagram, or TikTok. Just ask me questions. We'll work through everything together. Provide me your feedback. This is an open project. I don't know how many of the things will probably change. So yeah, let's talk. Let's do stuff. Thank you. Bye-bye.